Hi, and in this lesson we're going to look at creating simple geometric shapes and making them three-dimensional using SolidWorks. The main tools we're going to be using are going to be around this area here and also this area here. So this is going to be the main focus of today's lesson. So to start making a three-dimensional solid, we've got to start off with a sketch. I'm just going to go over here and I'm going to click on the sketch icon just here. You'll see here there are quite a few different options, and the one I'm going to start with is I'm going to start with a simple corner rectangle. When I click on the button, you will see this piece of information starts to appear. These are the three standard planes. I have a front plane, a right plane, and a top plane. And these are just areas for me to start drawing in. So I'm going to select the top plane for now, and then I'm just going to very quickly click on the axes there, press and hold my mouse, and drag a cuboid shape across. That's now the basic sketch drawn, so I can now just go over to this green tick here and I can click on it. SolidWorks as a program really likes to check that you have finished doing what you want to do. So whenever a green tick appears, it is SolidWorks asking you to just confirm your last actions. It will not work or do any more tasks until you have confirmed that those actions are correct. So it's really important that you're watching out for those ticks. Now that I've done that, I can just very simply go to Features. Okay, and that's going to start to bring up my solid options. So I'm going to start with the basic feature here, which is an extruded boss base. When I click on there, you will see that my sketch has now become a solid. Now there are two ways that I can edit this solid. The first way is to click on the arrow, and that will allow me to move the solid up, and it will give me a small ruler so that I can measure the distance that I'm changing things. Okay. The second option that I've got is over in the toolbox just down here, and you'll be able to see now that I've got an extrusion of 58 millimeters. If I just change that, I'm going to type in 50. I'm going to tell it that I want it in millimeters, and I'm just going to click on there, and I'm quite happy with that. So I'm just going to click on tick, and you'll see it will reduce the size down to 50 millimeters. Okay, and that is how to create a very